Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anushri and this is Culinary Toddler Trips. Today we are on our way to the Sathorn Pier to catch the hop on hop of boat. And we are with Aja and Sanchit today.
Sathorn Pier is also connected with the BTS SkyTrain. The station name for BTS is Saphan Taksin. Take exit 2 for the pier. This is the ticket counter and this is the boat. This is the lower covered sitting area and then there's an open deck on top. I prefer this area to enjoy the view.
To take hop on hop of boat, there's a boat every 30 minutes. You can just come to Sathorn Pier, take the ticket for entire day, which is 150 baht, and for one drop it's just 30 baht.
This tour covers total of 11 piers and most of the tourist attractions. If you are taking a day pass, you can get down at any pier, visit the nearby tourist attraction and then hop back again for the next location. Few places which it covers are ICONSIAM, Chinatown, Wat Arun, Wat Po, Grand Palace and Khao San Road. In evening it also takes you to Asiatique. Few of these piers also have MRT subway connection. You can board this boat from any of the mentioned pier. Just make sure to buy the ticket from government ticket counters. Maharaj Pier is famous for food and shopping by the river. You can also find the local boats which go around the town, but this is the most convenient and the cheapest way to go around the Chao Phraya river. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We took 2 rounds of Chao Phraya river, had lunch at Maharaj Pier, came back to Wat Arun for sunset and took the final drop at ICONSIAM. I hope this video will be helpful for anyone coming to Bangkok and planning a tour. Stay tuned for the bloopers.
And this is the culinary toddler behind this channel.
Say hi. Aja say hi.
Do you want to say hi? Say hi.
Sawadee krap. Say.
Say Sawadee Ka. Welcome to my vlog.